Here's how I turned $800 into $6,200 in just 3 trading days. On November 8th, I shared with the community a trade that I entered into. It was on Carvana stock, ticker symbol CVNA, and we were trading call debit spreads. I bought 40 options contracts at $20 a contract, so in total, $800 worth. I bought this stock in particular because of the high risk reward opportunity and the setup that fits my personal trading strategy. On November 11th, the position was up. It more than doubled, so it was time to trim some of my overall position. I sold 10 contracts at $65 a contract. In total, that was $650. The money that was left with the 30 contracts there was essentially all on house money. Those 30 contracts that I still own are now worth $185 a contract, which in total is $5,500. Include the $650 from when I trimmed my position, you're looking at a total gain of $6,200, a 675% increase in just 3 trading days. This doesn't always happen, but this shows you the power options can provide you when properly used. If you want more trades like this, join the trading community. The link is in the bio. Outside of that, I'll see you on the next video. Hopefully, it's going to be another trade just like this one.